Hello, welcome to this video on navigating your dashboard and your course page. So here I assume that you have logged into your KABVILE or Kabale University Virtual Learning Environment. So your dashboard will appear like this, with the left sidebar here and the right sidebar here. At the top, if you have courses allocated to you, you'll have a red button indicating the number of courses that you have allocated to you. For example, I have one in green up here, which shows I only have one course allocated to me as a lecturer. So now in my dashboard, there are a number of things that I can do. I can view my courses and the respective course codes right here. Have my calendar here. I have the courses that I recently accessed. I have the timeline in the right sidebar. Upcoming events, depending on what I've set up for my students, they'll appear here. So the courses that I taught in the past will appear in this section. I can check that the ones in progress, those are the ones that I'm teaching. I have one. The ones in the past, I have one, and that is what you see right here, that I have two courses. But under my courses menu, I have one, which means it is the active course that I'm teaching at this moment that has been allocated to me. So the next thing maybe you have to know about your dashboard would be that through the dashboard, you access your courses. So access this course, Effective Online Teaching. And within here, I'm taken to what I call my course page. So my course page has a number of tools, for example, course management, then turn editing on. Then in the left sidebar, I will have what we call course administration, where there's a number of things. My students, who are the users, where I have course reuse, import, backup, restore, or resetting a course. I have my question bank and all these other tools available to me. So this video has been created to show you the tools available to you. For example, course management, you can see the things. For example, you can see the enrollment methods. I'll click. If my students cannot enroll, I'll look at self-enrollment, and then I can tell that this is open, the eye is not closed. But if the eye was closed, that is crossed out, that means my students cannot enroll themselves. So I'll click on the eye, and then I'll ask my students to enroll themselves if they were unable to enroll before. Other things under the course management dashboard, I can view grades. I can see groups, if I created groups within this particular course unit. I have other things like, say, importing information from a previous course. If I have it, I can use this tool here. I can back up this course. I can perform other tools under course administration that we saw somewhere down here, but using the course management dashboard. If I want to go back to the course page where I have the different sections of my course, I can use this yellow line down here that has what we call the breadcrumb. I click on the course code right here, takes me back to the main course page, or I can go back to my courses menu and click on that course, will still keep me right here. Within my course, you can say I have a number of sections: introduction, benefits, effective online communication, creating engaging online content, assessment and feedback. A number of sections, and I end up with useful resources where I'm going to put maybe the PDFs of information, the links with that have information that is related to what I'm teaching. You can see how my course is laid out. I have an introduction here. By default, you have one announcement. Then we have my course outline is right here. My attendance module is right here. I will show you when we create when we add content to the page, you can add your online class right here, so that you have one room that you always use to attend your online class. Then I have the other sections with an introduction and the content. You put the section title, then you put the introduction to that section, and then the other content. For you to add content, you know where to go. It is right here. Turn editing on. And once you do that, you can see now you can add an activity or resource. An activity would be something like an assignment. A resource would be something like a file or a PowerPoint or a PDF containing information that students can download and read. So in the next series or the next videos, I will introduce you to how to organize your course page. So this video is about your dashboard and navigating your course page. Thank you very much.